7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so guess where we are? Lowe's! I don't know why he came here, but I'm just gonna say this. Guys, I don't wanna hear nothing from men talking about how we as women shop all the time. Because Home Depot and Lowe's, y'all stay in this place.
You want a Homestead or not?
But why we gotta stay in Lowe's or Home Depot? I don't want that. Why we gotta be at Home Depot and Lowe's all the time?
Domestic violence.
It's not domestic violence.
Beat me.
What did you get?
Got a precision screwdriver set, some batteries for the weather station.
What's the precision screwdriver set for?
I don't know. Just told me to get it. He said tools you will need, not included.
So he just wanted to buy something. That's all.
Told me
He just wanted to buy something. He just wanted to buy something. Anyway, we are on our way up to the property. Can you stop?
I did it first. I gotta go get ice.
Okay, we're on our way up to the property. We're done at Lowe's and we're getting ready to make the trek up. So luckily I didn't have to go in there because I would have been in the plant section. Oh, speaking of plants, when are we getting back on the garden?
Maybe this weekend. Finish leveling that base. Maybe. You get all that rock off the side of the hill.
Yeah, I'm not really happy about that, nor am I looking forward to that.
Weather station together.
Is that gonna take a long?
Shit.
Okay, so I would like to get back to
Tending to our garden.
attending to our garden. We haven't been able to get to the greenhouse because we've had a lot of delays and setbacks with weather and stuff. So we're finally getting back into the groove of things, and
Get the rest of that rock off that cliff.
unfortunately we have extra work to do because
Don't forget, not this Saturday, but next Saturday, Cliff is coming. Let's start on the fence.
well, we're at least getting to the garden.
Not this Saturday, next Saturday.
Next Saturday, we'll get to the garden. Cliff is gonna stop by to start fencing, which is what we need because we have a lot of deer. They jump and all of that stuff. So we're hoping the fence deter them from eating all of the food.
They can eat all our food, but we ain't even growing yet.
Yeah, that's why they over there. What's up with the garden?
I'm going to get ice.
Okay,
Ice,
so
ice,
anyway,
baby.
while he's going to do all that, I'm just looking forward to getting back to the garden. All right, we are on our way up, and guess what's back? The tool fog. It did leave for a couple of weeks, and it came back. I don't know how that's a thing, but science. As we continue to go, it gets thicker and thicker. The tool fog. All right, we have made it up to the property. You have to wait, Booba. And I just want to show the gravel because it looks so good. The gravel looks so good. It's shiny. No more mud, no more dirt, no more mess.
Glad somebody didn't come steal it.
And we're gonna drive on it, see how it feels going up the hill.
See how it feels.
So I'm trying to have vision because I can't wait till all of it's done, all the way up to the house. How long you think that'll take?
How long it take for you to get the money?
Oh.
Get on that pole, girl.
Oh, I can get on the pole now? I can get on the pole. Y'all heard him, right? I'm starting work next weekend. What do you mean, how it got compacted? Oh, it did? Oh, wow. Because it's starting to get hard.
So you lose your rocks after a while.
Mm-hmm. And it'll just start sinking into the ground.
Yeah, over time.
So you just have to keep doing it. How often?
I don't know.
Annually?
Every couple of years, maybe. I don't know. Somebody will tell them.
Tell us what the maintenance look like. How often we have to keep the driveway up, because that's something we don't know.
I don't know. Nick.
Alrighty, let's go on up. Okay, so we have made it up to the house. We are enjoying our small park model tiny home thus far. This weekend, our goal is to, number one, do unnecessary work because my husband...
It'll be unnecessary.
Unnecessary work. Okay, so number one, our goal is to pull up the rocks from the side of the hill because we need to use those. So we got more shoveling to do. So that is the main goal this weekend, is to get those rocks off the hill.
And the weather station.
And also my husband's going to set up the weather station. I'm kind of interested and curious to see what that is and what that looks like and how that works. Because up here, we don't get the weather actually where we are. We actually get the weather, the closest city next to us. Yeah. So we don't really get weather exactly here where we are. So we're going to set that up. I'm kind of curious to see how that works.
We don't know what the temperature is right here.
Yeah.
We're going to find out exactly.
We're going to find out exactly this weekend. And we may or may not get to the greenhouse. Hopefully one day we'll get back there to the greenhouse.
Those 2 rows. We can pour some concrete in the next 2 weeks.
Okay. I need you to come back. Come back, Nikki. Come back. But I need you to come back here. Can you show your face? I just want to say, you guys join us on Saturday because we are going to do all the things that I just mentioned.
And more.
And we hope to see you on Saturday, and we will see you next time. Bye.
I got a question for y'all. for all the people who know everything out there in the world, who give good advice. Not the people who give terrible advice. Should I start dropping some road base on that section now? Or should I wait until I compact it all the way down? What say you? Leave it in the comments. What do you think we should do?
What do I think?
Should we drop some road base down there now? Or wait until we compact it some more? And then we have to wet the road base too.
Oh, for real? We have to wet it? Why?
So the little fine stuff can lock together.
Oh, how are we going to wet it?
You can take some water down there and...
Hand do it? Are you serious? Oh, well, that sounds a little bit more complicated.
You just put water in a little tea kettle.
No, we're not doing that. No.
Yeah, you make tea all the time, remember?
Yeah, but that's a tiny tea kettle. Okay, so anyway, should we put road base on the rocks now? Or should we compact the rocks first before we put road base? Well, I'm going to say put road base because road base is going to also lock in when you compact. So everything will be compacted at once. To me, that makes sense. But again, I don't know what I'm talking about. So
me either.
So tell us in the comments if we should actually put road base down first.
Or compact that down some.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Don't fight in the comments. You already know people are going to be like, you should do it. You shouldn't do it. You should do it. You shouldn't do
You
it.
guys tell us. I love looking at the comments.
Y'all
but
dig it out. We like reading it. We're instigating fights online.
Especially those who know, those who've actually done it before, what is the proper way to do it? So thank you so much.
Now we can say bye.
Bye. We did say bye. But just as always, in rah-rah fashion, it's never really bye.
We ain't finished, we ain't done.
Because he's never finished, and he's never really done.
Got another question for y'all. Put in the comments how long you think it's going to take us to shuffle all this stuff up.
And the rock is pretty heavy, too, so, yeah.
Can't say forever.
Half of the rock is down here.
That's like a quarter. That's a lot.
That's a lot of rock, yeah. And it's heavy. Billy. Billy.
From now on, I need to call Billy before I do anything.
Let me talk to you, Billy.
Help this fool out.
Help him out, please. Make sure he consults with you first before he does anything.
Hey, Billy, I don't know where to put these loads. Where should I put them? Because I was thinking about putting this one on the edge. You're like, hell no.
Exactly.
Or whatever.
No, whatever, because we got to scoop this up.
Tell us in the comments how long you think it's going to take Val to shovel this out before she start complaining.
Y'all know that's not true because I'm going to be in the house watching him shovel.
Yeah. That's all. Bye.
Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.